Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video on my channel. Today we talk about how to upload a video to YouTube and optimize everything. Input all the information to your video to have it get a lot of views on the platform. Okay, by the way,
this video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning offline tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and Mac OS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description, and remember to apply my special discount code when checking out to save your money.
Okay, so supposing that you have just started a YouTube channel and you finish your video production and now you want to upload it to YouTube and you don't know about the title, the description, about the category, about thumbnails, stuff like that, about the tags, and you want to have a good explanation from an experienced YouTuber, this is the right video for you. Okay, so in this video, I will upload one of my video to one of my channel, and then I will explain step by step, maybe the title, how to write the title, how to write description, and why you don't need to care much about tag and stuff like that. Okay, so hopefully it is helpful for you. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. So this is one of my channel, Jacky and Workout. Jacky and you know my name is Jacky Nguyen, so it is a workout channel. I do workout for 8 minutes or 10 minutes and I upload it to the platform. So I have about 10 or 20 video here, but some other video on this channel. Okay, so this is my previous video. You get 1 views, very good. The other get 1 views. By the way, it's just a boring workout, so 8 to 10 minutes, so you get 1 views. There is nothing strange here. By the way, this is a channel. I have a channel logo here and I have a banner, and this is my channel, and we can switch the account. Okay, so these are all the channel I have. These channel are belong to me. Okay, and I'm also managing many other people channel. Okay, so these are the list of the channels. So you see many YouTube channel, and all of them monetized channel. Okay, but they are from my student, from my customers, from the one who are working with me. Okay, so first thing first, we are going to upload a video on this channel. This is just a test channel. So in order to upload a video to YouTube, you have 2 options. Go to YouTube Studio, okay, and then you want to click here at this create button, and then upload videos. Okay, so you can upload multiple videos onto YouTube, or you can upload one. So just select the video here or drag and drop it to this area. For example, I can go to my computer. Okay, so this is my workout video, and this is the previous one. For the name of the file or the name of the video, you don't need to have it like workout video or anything. Some people advise you to have a good name, for example, for SEO, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so just the video. So I will drag and drop it here at this position and release the mouse. That is how you can drag and drop your video on YouTube. Okay, so next thing you want to do is to write a title, and you see here some step here: detail, video elements, check, and visibility. So first thing, we need to give the detail of our video. So first thing, I want to write a title. So it depends on the topic you are working on. Okay, so for example, if I make tutorial about Filmora, I will make how-to video or how to do this and how to do that in Filmora, and this is a workout video. So I will say JK and workout. It is kind of the brand of my channel, and day 12. Okay, so we can leave it like this. This is the title, and 10-minute workout. Okay, so this is the title, and you can write any title, or you can use AI to write a title for you. It's up to you, and the title is very important when it comes to YouTube recommendation. But for a new channel, I don't think it is a big problem, because when you are new to YouTube, nobody care about you. YouTube don't care about you. YouTube doesn't care about you. So just write a title, meaningful, and it should represent for the content of your video. Okay, so we can make it here. So this is the title. And next up, you want to write a good description for your video. Okay, so you see something here. This is my default upload description. For the default upload description, you can go back to your YouTube studio. Let's go back to my YouTube studio. I will show you the description, the default description. And go to your setting. And see here, this is upload defaults. And this is my default description. Actually, I have some default tag here also, but you don't want to care about that. So this is the default description. You can write it one time, and next time when you upload anything, you don't have to write it again. Okay, so for this video, we just need to write the beginning at the beginning of the description. Okay, so let's work out. Okay, work for 10 minutes with me. Reduce weight. Weight. Okay. And burn fat quickly. Okay, so that's everything you want to write in the description. And of course, you want to put some tag here. So JKN workout. Workout. Daily work. Okay, so that is for the tag and the description. And next thing you want to do is to upload a thumbnail, or maybe you want to create a good thumbnail for your video. By the way, for this example, I just leave it by default, so we can select auto generate here. So YouTube will generate a thumbnail based on the video. Okay, and there's another button here, test and compare. So if you generate more than one thumbnail, you have an option to test the thumbnail on YouTube, and now it is possible inside YouTube Studio. Okay, but for this video, I will just select auto generate and select one of the thumbnail. Okay, auto generating thumbnail, and I will click done. Okay, so for the thumbnail, we'll talk about it later if you want to. Okay, so next thing, you want to create a playlist for your video, or you already create a playlist. You can just click here at this drop down menu, and then you can select a workout here. If you want to create a new playlist, you can click this button. Okay, click done. So that is for the playlist. And next up, you want to select made for kid or not, and obviously this video is not made for kid. Okay, so we are going to select this option, paid promotion. If someone sponsor your video, you need to check this box, my video content paid promotion. If they give you a license of software, or if they give you any money, or if they give you anything, you want to click here. But my video just, okay, I just made video, so nobody sponsor. And author content, this video is filmed by me with a phone, so obviously it is no at this option. Even if you generate text to speech or you use robot voice, you still click no at this option. Okay, whenever you produce a video faking someone like famous people, then you need to click yes. Okay, but most of the video, click no. Update chapter, okay, just tick the box here, everything. Okay, and for the tag, we have some default tag here at the upload. So we have some default tag here, but you want to write something. Okay, Jacky workout video. Okay, something like that. And you can even add ChatGPT or Gemini to write tags for you, and you can add up to 500 words at this section. Okay, so we have some recommendation from TubeBuddy and vidIQ, but by the way, we don't want to follow it. Okay, for the language and caption certification, the video language, it is in English, so I will select English here. For the caption, just leave it none. Okay, and next up, if you allow other people to remix your video into short, you can click here, allow video and audio remixing. If you don't want to allow them, you can check this box, don't allow remixing. But for me, I will allow it. And for the category, okay, select anything. Here we have sport, so I'm just working out, so it is sport, so I can select it. Okay, if you film video in entertainment category or how-to category, you can select it right here. Okay, and for educational video, you can select it here, but it is sport, so I will select sport. And for comment and rating, if you want, you can have some more setting here. Okay, so next up, click next. And for the add subtitle, we don't want to add subtitle because YouTube already do it, and it will add the subtitle itself, okay, automatically. You don't have to do so, just leave it here. For the end screen, which is the 25 seconds at the end of your video, you can add. So just click the add button here, and now select a template. Normally I will select one subscribe button and best for viewer, okay, and click save, and YouTube will just add it automatically. And for the card, if you want to recommend another video to your audience, you can click here and select a position to add card, and then you can add video, okay, and maybe another one. It is day 11, and click save. So maximum you can add 5 cards to your video. Okay, and then you can click next, and now it will check. So here's the section, check copyright, thing like that. But obviously I just film myself without any copyright issue, so we can click next. And now we can select visibility. Normally when you are uploading your video, you need to select unlisted or private, so wait until it finish uploading your video, or you can schedule your video here. So now I can select unlisted, and then I can click save. Your video is still uploading and will be unlisted once uploading and processing finished. So this is how you can upload video to YouTube. I do it all the time, and these are the things that I normally do for all of my channel. Okay, so hopefully you can do the same. Just do the same and just follow the step to get views on YouTube. Alright, so this is a good video for beginner. I hope it is helpful for you. If you have any question about YouTube, about growing YouTube channel, about IPM, about anything here, just ask me at the comment section below. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.